Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are looking at the Ryobi Power Tracer ESV1000. Stay tuned. All right guys, before we open it up, just a few things on the package we want to go over here. First thing is, interesting to note, it is not recommended with Siemens, Federal Pacific Electric, and Zinsco branded breakers. So that's interesting. It easily detects common wiring problems, and it does have the tester so you can trip the breaker straight from the tester. So a couple other things to note is it says the circuit breaker amps 20 or 20 amps, wiring gauge 12 up to 100 feet, and then 15 amps, 14 gauge up to 50 feet. So just giving you a little idea on the range. All right guys, let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so pretty standard here, the 3 lights on the back of the tester, your standard 3-prong outlet, and the breaker trip button on the top here to trip the breaker. In addition, which is really nice, it has the key or the guide for the lights on the top, so you have the correct wiring, you have the check breaker or open hot, you have open grounded, open neutral, hot ground reverse, and hot neutral reverse. So nice to have the guide on there. It does remind you to check the breaker. If you've tripped the breaker, make sure that the lights are turned off. Don't assume by pressing the trip breaker that everything's off. You definitely want to go check the breaker to make sure, but otherwise, everything else. Interesting, it does have the guide on both sides as well, which is nice in case your outlet is right side up or upside down. It has the guide on both sides, and the lights illuminate nearly the entire side as well. So again, either way, whatever your outlet is, you can double check. You don't have to be looking underneath or sideways or whatever. So pretty cool. We're excited to try it out and trip some breakers. So we've got Sam's brand new house here. We're gonna test it out. All right guys, that's it for today. Pretty quick and easy on this one, not too complicated, but really nice tool to have. We're excited. We're gonna put it through its paces. If you like the video, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the little bell icon to get notified each and every time one of our videos go live, and make sure to comment below to let us know what tool you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, guys. All right guys, well, let's go ahead and open it up. And where's your cutter?
Right in the top.
It is in the top? All right guys, before we dive into it, this, just a few things. All right guys, let's go ahead and open it up. Does this unlock? Can't remember how this one works. All right guys, that's it for today. Pretty quick and easy on this one. Just the Ryobi, not just, okay. All right guys, let's go ahead and open it up. Pretty cool. Let's see, circuit breaker, amps, wiring gauge, wiring run.